How to make money on Ecwid for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and start selling products. If you're looking to make money on Ecwid, there are a few things you can do to maximize your sales and revenue. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your store and add products to your Ecwid store. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to ecwid.com and then you're going to go and log in if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can simply click on Get Started for free, which will redirect you to the sign up page. After logging in or signing up, you will be able to see this control panel over here. This is where we will be able to manage our store under Ecwid. As you can see here on the left side, we have dashboard, my sales, catalog, marketing, and reports. There's also sales channel over here where we will be able to connect our channel to these different websites over here, different platforms. We would be able to sell from a website that we already own, our Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, mobile, or other channels. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to create a website. Our website is where we will be able to sell and start creating money. That is what our customers will be seeing, so we would need to create our website effectively. Now, to create our website, we're simply going to click on this option over here that says set up your website and storefront. By clicking that, you would be able to redirect to this page over here where you will be able to edit and create your website. As you can see right now, I have created this temporary website and I'm going to navigate you on how you could create your own website. As you can see here on the left side, we have the address setting, themes, and over here are the site section. Under theme, this is basically the template for your website. You would be able to choose from any template that is available on this template gallery over here, and you could use any of them. For example, we're going to use this one. We're going to click on use theme, and as you can see, we are currently using this theme. And it will retain any product that you have. As you can see here, this has remained, but you would be able to see a different theme for this product. Now you can click on address settings over here, and this is where you will be able to edit your domains and your store name. I'm going to click on back. Over here on the heading and cover image, as you can see, Dream Toy is the name of the heading right now. You could put your store name over here, and for example, we're going to change it to Toy Heaven, just like that. And you could add a description for your heading over here. You could also change the layout over here by clicking on full screen. You would be able to change the heading part of your page. You could do the right sidebar, which what we saw earlier. Do the left side, which is like the opposite of the right side. And we could do half screen just like that. We could do half screen and text below and top menu just like that. You could choose any of this option. You could also change the position and alignment over here. You could change the position from center to top. As you can see, this is going to change. Then bottom, just like that. You change it to center and left. It's not gonna change much because our layout is like this, but if you choose another layout, it's going to have a different effect. This is our current background right now. You can change the background by clicking this, and you could either upload an image or pick from gallery. There's also cover overlay over here where you could add like a filter on your image, just like that. You could add increase and decrease the opacity, just like that. You could also set a custom overlay by clicking on this option over here. We're going to go back, and over here we could edit our typography, wherein we can edit our font family, our font size, and font color. We could also change the button typography over here. As you can see, this is our button over here. You could change the color by doing and clicking on this option over here. You could also customize the color by clicking on this option, and you would be able to see all the different settings that we have over here. You could make it transparent or not transparent, just like that. Now we're going to click on back. Also over here, you could add a store logo if you have a logo. As you can see right now, this is my current store logo we have over here. You could change the logo position from show on cover, show in above the store over here, or you could show in both places. We have it on here and on here. You could also enable or disable a round logo. You won't be able to see it right now, but it will add a circle on your logo. And we're going to click on back. You could also add a scroll arrow. As you can see, this is our scroll arrow right now. You could disable this and enable, or you could add a scroll arrow text to shop now, just like that. And we could click back, and as you can see here, we have our shop now option over here, wherein if we click this, we would automatically be dragged down on the bottom over here. Now there's also a top menu option over here. Currently we have no top menu. We could click on show in header. As you can see, there will be our phone number over here. You could also have social media link. You could show in header. As of now, we have no social media connected, so it's not going to show up. But if you have, for example, Facebook, it's going to show a Facebook icon over here. You could also enable location. You could also enable show navigation over here and then show shopping cart. It's currently over here, so we don't need to do that anymore. After doing that, you could also actually have this enabled, but I don't know why it's not enabled, but we're going to ignore that for now. We're going to click on back. And over here, we can edit our store by clicking on this option. This is the store section. This is how we would view our different product. We could change the thumbnail size from small, medium, and large, just like that. We're going to keep it small. We could also edit the thumbnail ratio over here, text alignment, just like this. You could also add a product card border by doing this. As you can see, there's a border on each product. You could also add a one-page product catalog. There's also appearance option over here where you would be able to edit the product list, product page, and miscellaneous. Now you could add or arrange section by clicking on this option. As you can see right now, I disabled the company mission, customer testimonial, about, and location. You could enable the location and it will show you the location section over here and also an about section. And you could rearrange your different contents by simply dragging it just like this. And you would be able to rearrange the arrangement of your store. Now, it is ideal that you put the product page over here so that you would be able to let your customers see your products right away. We're going to disable this for now, and we're going to click on apply. Now, after doing that, we're simply going to save, and we're going to click on manage store. After that, we will be redirected back to this control panel that we saw earlier. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add or create our product by simply clicking on this option over here or by clicking on catalog section over here. We would be able to click on products over here. And in this page, we will be creating our product. As you can see right now, these are the different products that we saw earlier. These are sample products. And this is a product that I have created on my own. Now to create a product, you're simply going to click on this button over here. And you would be able to add your description about your product in this section. We're going to upload an image. Just like that, we have a mock-up of our product. We could click on view and we would be able to see a view of our product. And now we're going to close this. Over here, you can add your name. For now, we're going to go with t-shirt. You could add your SKU and then your weight of your product over here. You could add a description for your product. And over here, you could add our edit ribbon, add product subtitle. But for this section, you would need premium version. Now over here on the pricing, we're going to set this to 300 for now. And after doing this, after editing your content, you can also edit your attributes, options, files, shipping new, SEO, and related products over here. We're going to save this. After that, we're going to go back to our website. We're going to click this, click on website. And over here, we're going to preview our website. And as you can see here, we have our product on our product section over here. Now we're going to click on buy now and we would be able to see our product on its catalog page. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your dashboard and you're simply going to accomplish your to-do list here so that you would be able to fully set up your store and you could start selling your products and start earning money. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.